Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I want to give you a quick overview of some headlights and high beam LED upgrades to maybe your OEM housings. So in this video here, I'm sharing a whole bunch of different things to upgrade your headlight assembly. So for example, this headlight assembly, notice has the black trim. That's an upgrade from factory because I'm looking for more of an all black look. Also, the LEDs that are in the daylight running and the switchback for the turn signal are white to amber. And the LEDs in the headlights and in the high beams are also upgraded. So you have the full LED option going, as well as the overall same color spectrum, Kelvin color spectrum. These are all 6,000 Kelvins, and so they all match when all your lights are on going down the road. Check this out. So you have 6,000 Kelvin, 6,000 Kelvin. These are LEDs. You have the switchback. So if you're turning, pretty cool stuff. The daylight bulbs that go in here match this identically, so you can't even tell going down the road what is different about them. And why is this different? Well, if your headlights look like that, now these LEDs have been upgraded already, but if you like this, that's fine. Or if you'd like a full, crisp, more modern look, again, look at the difference. And then also, look at the color difference on the wall. So if that's something you're looking for from an upgrade from your standard halogen to LED, these bulbs might just work. I've tagged everything in this video. Hopefully that helps.